Hey everyone, Couchy here back with another video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to go over Square's plans for 2021. Most of you know Square has had a pretty good 2020 despite the global pandemic. They actually managed to maintain and actually grow their business, whether it's the seller side or the Cash App side of the whole Square ecosystem, but they aren't planning on slowing down anytime soon. They plan to spend close to $1 billion to keep the momentum going. But before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, we're on our way to 6,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. If you like these videos, leave it an early thumbs up as it really helps me out grow the channel and get my videos out there. So without further ado, charts first. Right, so looking at the graph right now, last time I made a video, I think it was right around those prices right here. Like I said, the stock would go sideways for the next couple of days or weeks. We've seen the stock test that support at $200, held quite nicely, bounced back up. Now, we're probably going to see those prices for the next couple of days. At least that's my own opinion. We're going to go sideways. Sideways action is always good. That means that the stock becomes stable at those prices, which could mean a more robust support moving forward. Again, right now, anything under $200 or so, I would pick up or add to my position. Otherwise, I would just see what happens with the stock in the next coming weeks. Right, so first up, we have 50% of that budget going into marketing and customer acquisition. Since they first launched their first marketing campaign to attract new users to Cash App, they've seen that those new users actually adopt more and more products inside the whole Cash App world, let's say, than older users. So obviously spending more on getting new users into that whole Cash App ecosystem makes sense. Now don't worry, they're also going to target those existing customers by giving them incentives to maybe get their friends and family to join the app and then, I don't know, maybe get some discount codes, free cash card for a month or whatever. So 2021 is going to be a big year, I think, in customer growth, especially for Cash App. In my opinion, the moment they enter a new market, such as the European market, I think they will see user growth skyrocket like crazy. I'm waiting for Cash App to get into Europe so I can start doing giveaways, monthly giveaways to my subscribers. So hey, Cash App, if you're listening, please go and open up in Europe. Now for the seller side of the business, they're also intending to grow, especially internationally, and getting more and more bigger sellers, because as you know, we've seen that in the earnings report, there's these three categories regarding the seller side of the ecosystem. There are those that are spending less than 125,000 per year. There are those between 125,000 and $500,000. And then there are those that are spending more than $500,000 a year. Obviously with spending, I mean gross payment volume. They actually intend to increase marketing on the seller side, on the seller products by 40 to 45%, because as you know, the seller side is actually the side that will probably make them the most money going forward right now. And if you haven't seen or if you haven't noticed, they have released Cash App merch. So it looks a bit like this. Really cool website with funky designs. You can see here in 3D, you can actually go and look at the designs yourself. Obviously, it's a bit pricey, but if you buy them with your Cash Card or Cash App, I believe, you get 25% off your purchase. Again, this is one genius move if you ask me by Cash App and Square. This is basically free marketing, and they even get money going in because, well, when people will buy it, people will see it. They're asked, oh, where did you get that shirt? Where did you get that merch? They're going to say Cash App. If you buy this with the Cash Card, you get 25% off. Now, I don't know if you remember, but with Tesla shorts, same thing. Let's say they sold 100,000 Tesla shorts. They sold that for $69,420. So that's almost $7 million just by selling those shorts. Pretty good deal if you ask me. Same thing here with the Cash App merch. I believe this is brilliant to raise funds or to just have free marketing. Now, lastly, regarding this point, they're also the major sponsor for the esports team called 100 Thieves. Their complex is actually called 100 Thieves by Cash App, major sponsor there. So again, they're really targeting this younger generation because this is the generation that would want to have this financial independence and this whole financial next generation bank in their pocket. And next point they're going to increase is 25% of the budget going into new products for Cash App or for the seller side, such as Cash Card, Boost, Bitcoin trading, cash advances, etc. Again, going back to my point of Square and Cash App being this next generation bank. This is going to enable them to improve and grow and attract new customers. They're also going to offer more products internationally. Right now, only 3/4 of its US products are available outside of the US. Who knows, maybe Cash App goes global finally. Again, I really hope Cash App goes outside of the US next year. Would be a huge play for them, and obviously for us, we can enjoy all of those perks as well. I almost forgot, a good example actually for those new products is their latest acquisition of Credit Karma Tax, is letting you do your taxes inside the app. And the last 25% of that budget will go to support, internal improvement in their AI, in machine learning. Now, overall, Square is looking at a total addressable market for the seller side at around about $80 billion, for the Cash App side at $60 billion. So that's a total of $140 billion. Now, if you look at their current market cap right now, I think it's around about $93 billion, just to compare market cap to what their total addressable market is. Still a long way to go. But if you look at their combined revenue for 2020, excluding Bitcoin, they are at around about $5 billion for 2020. So even during a pandemic, $5 billion in combined revenue for 2020 is pretty good if you ask me. And in my opinion, this is just the start. It's going to grow more and more each and every year as they open up to other markets, as they keep attracting new customers, offer them better services and new services as well. Now, before I end this video, let me know down in the comments below what you would like Square or Cash App to add to their ecosystem. What do you think they're going to add next in 2021? Let me know down in the comments below. That will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, we're on our way to 6,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.